welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube, for part 8 of buying a house in Japan. So we are in a tunnel right now on our way to Ebisu Circuit, and when we come out of the tunnel, and as you can see, we got snow, which it was not supposed to snow, it was not supposed to rain. That's awesome, coming, you know, halfway across the world. Yeah.
Yeah,
so
it's coming down pretty decent.
It's coming down. I'm kind of, yeah.
Luckily, it's a little warm.
Yeah, the roads are still warm.
Yeah, I don't know how long that's gonna stay that way.
In a land where dawn gently gleams, a wanderer finds bold new dreams. Echoes of journeys fill the air, drifting whispers lead me there. Throwing my life off the rails, no time to hesitate. Chasing smoke trails, driving towards my fate. The sunrise is red over a mountain to span. Ebisu Circuit beckons in this foreign land. Slide the corners, feel alive. Tires scream, the world collides. Abandoned house, my home at last. Drift the present, forget the past. Forget the past. Empty rooms with stories untold. Tatami mats and a roof of gold. Plans pull up, engines roar. This is the life I've been waiting for. Underneath these foreign skies, dreams ignite with every drive.
All right, Brandon, we're here. I'm gonna let you set your feet down on Ebisu first.
Oh my.
Yeah. And you're gonna get soaked first.
Yep, pretty much.
And
fine. It's worth
Brandon's
it.
at Ebisu. All right. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, I got an umbrella in the suitcase. I don't think it's gonna matter with this wind.
So like a lot of people will stand on this wall.
Yeah.
And you can actually get to it on the other side a little bit better. It's kind of open, but people will initiate on like the top of this hill, kind of like ride the wall, and then a lot of times you'll be backwards coming into, this is like the first turn basically.
Gotcha. Ooh. You want to go under awning at least? Like,
Yeah. So a lot of people will go to this awning first, but
yeah.
that's like a good spot to view, because it'll be door to door. Yeah, and then the course,
Yeah.
this is like the end of turn one, and then the course goes through here, does a couple little whoopties, and then shutdown's not too much further. A lot of people only drift like the first like 2 or 3 turns to save
Okay.
tires.
Okay. Like, how do they hit this normally?
Normally you're wide
Okay.
coming around, and then you come into this subsequent turn.
Gotcha. So you're coming wide.
Yeah.
And then switch.
Yep.
And okay.
Switch and then switch
Whoop.
again. Skyline.
Are they going out or are they? Nice. Yeah, they're going. So you want to go over to that awning then to get a better
Yeah.
view?
Jogging. Looks like the weather.
So the one guy just left, but the other guy got on the track, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a good spot here. Where do you think would be good? Like a good video spot to
Honestly, like literally right here.
right here.
Oh. Yeah, North Course is sick. It's kind of got a long, like,
It's cold out.
yeah. We'll probably hear him coming up the hill. There he is.
Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Hey, how did you get that rollback through the tunnel?
Yeah, they fit.
He just got that rollback through the tunnel.
Yeah.
Damn. Wow, that looks
Yeah,
sick.
so whenever people like tandem, a lot of times they'll be like bumping corners right here. So we're at Touge, which is like basically a mountain road, like a mountain pass, but it's a drift track. So they've got like, it's obviously heavily wooded, has trees. It's really sketchy, honestly, if you watch videos of people driving it. There's a couple nuances that there's like a common area where people pile their shit up here, but there's like a pothole.
It looks awesome, honestly.
Yeah, it's wild. It's pretty narrow as well.
Yeah. Well, shit, it's not near as narrow as the roads we drove to get here.
Foot on the pedal, freedom calls. Sliding sideways, we kiss the walls. Racing shadows beneath the moon. Engines on the night sweep as the dawn breaks, dreams fade away in this land where I've come to stay. From mountain peaks to city lights, we found our place, it's in our sights. Whispers of wheels on a distant shore, drifting dreams, our dreams no more.